lost in my head. Too long stood still, heart beats for your bed. I think about you sometime, just like a rose in the trees. I hear the rustling breeze. Please leave me be. Yeah, you, the ghost of our love. Just like a story for children, written a long time ago. I think about you sometimes. I think about you sometimes. Sometimes.